Welcome to 1371 Broadway. This is a newly entirely rebuilt 2-level, 7-bedroom, 4-bath, rent-control apartment, ideally located between Rushton and Nob Hill. The entry here opens to the main living space, which is an open kitchen living room. And the kitchen is beautifully redone. Pendant lighting, marble counters with a marble backsplash, lots of cabinets, stainless sink, new dishwasher, new side-by-side bottom drawer freezer LG refrigerator, new LG gas range with hood, and all sorts of cabinets. There's recessed lighting throughout. There's an additional common space, a den downstairs. This is the living room, and it looks out onto Rushton Hill towards Pacific Heights. Just do a panel of the room. The first of the 7 rooms also has a window looking up towards Rushton Hill. Nice lighting, and it has double mirrored closet doors, hardwood floors throughout. And it's a nice big closet. We have a great breakfast bar there. Here's the central hallway that connects all rooms. Front door. Bedroom number 2. It's kind of a nook closet. Small, but not too small or small at all for San Francisco standards. The first of 4 full baths, all remodeled, all featuring natural stone tile. It's a glass stall shower, cute vanity. Right next door, bath number 2, which is more spacious. Gray accents. There's a shower over tub, floor to ceiling tile. Nice lighting, nice vanity. Tiled floor. Right next door, bath number 3, slightly different. All beautifully done. The next room, number 3, nice and spacious. Mirrored double closet door. And a nice big closet. Crank window. Number 4. It's quite spacious. Again, the mirrored closet. And this one looks out onto the garden. And the apartment includes this whole backyard. Still a little bit of a work in progress, but you've got a great patio and garden. Fruit trees. Number 5. Also looks out onto the garden. Same double mirrored door. Nice big closet. Back in the hallway, a spiral staircase leads us downstairs to the final section. And here is a den office area. This has a door that can be used as a second front door. And through here, this is a common area. There is another way to get back to the yard. And another entry here from the main lobby. And the laundry room here that will have a washer and dryer in it. And back through the den, number 6, small, not too small. Great little ledge here, window seat, and it looks out into the garden and patio. The closet for this room is huge. It is across the hall, but worth it when you get here. It's almost like a little room. So the room's small, but the closet's fantastic. And bath number 4. Nice vanity, shower over tub, beautiful tile. And number 7. It also has kind of a ledge window seat. It has a walk-in closet, small walk-in closet. And it looks out onto the yard and has a door to the yard. Again, there's the other way to get to the yard too. And this is a work in progress, but there's a large patio that's exclusive to the unit. Lemon tree. These are Chinese fruit trees, and this will all be cleaned up a little bit better. You get the idea. If you're interested in leasing this large apartment on Broadway, visit BillHarkins.com or call 415-305-5311. Have a great day.